Brothers, this car has a strange problem. Look, I'm starting it now. But as soon as I release the gas, it stalls on its own. See? It stalled again. This issue has been happening for over half a month. The owner took it to a shop. They suggested cleaning the throttle, replacing parts, and fixing the intake. Cost $1,800. The owner messaged me. I said, "That's robbery." He said, "It's far. What if I drive back and it's not fixed?" I told him, "If I can't fix it, I'll pay the $1,800. Today, let's see if we can solve this for free. It stalls when you release the gas. Clearly, there's no idle. Speaking of idle, I suspect this part is the problem. Look, it's this. The idle air control valve. Let's remove it for inspection. It's easy to disassemble. First, unplug this. Then use a screwdriver to remove these two screws. Now, take out the idle control motor. Found the issue. Look, the motor's covered in carbon deposits. Now that we've found the cause, isn't it easy to fix? No need to replace it. We can save money.
Get a paper towel, some cleaner, and clean the carbon off the motor. Wow, look how dirty it is. This motor adjusts idle. Carbon buildup affects performance, causing stalling or high fuel consumption. There, it's clean now. Looks like new, doesn't it? Now let's install it and see if it works. Installation is simple. Align it with this hole and gently push. Okay, it's in. Now let's put the screws back. Finally, plug it back in. All done. Now I'll start the car to check if it still stalls. Folks, if this fixes it, please give me a like for support. Now for the moment of truth. Watch, I'm not touching the gas. 3, 2, 1, go! It's running. Let's try again. Let's check the front. It's normal. See how simple that was? Stay tuned for more videos.